Morning. Camp Danny here at Massman Fishing. Headed out to do a little land-based fishing. And I'm going to Levy Bay. First order of business here is heading over to Rockies. Pulling in here now. Gonna grab some bait. Might try something new. I'm definitely gonna grab some shrimp. And then we're gonna go hit it. So stay tuned. Hopefully it's a good video. All right, popping cork, live shrimp. I should be able to just have it drift that, kind of drift that bank right on out. I'll pop it every once in a while, but more or less just letting it go over them. Well, pretty good little sign here. And caught a little red. Little baby redfish. Pretty little guy. Water's nice here. All right, well, so at least there is fish here. The sun coming up. There's some clouds off in the distance. I'm hoping they stay away. So it did call for a little bit of rain, but pretty convenient. My truck is literally right there. So I did bring my fishing cart. It's around the corner, which I gotta go get another shrimp anyways. But yeah, fun little, I think this will be a good little stop. Got an outgoing tide. This is the main waterway here. This creek goes pretty far back up and the tide is screaming out. So we're gonna catch this falling tide while we can and see what we can get into. Got a little something out here in the open. Nice trout. Definite keeper trout. We're not keeping fish today. So we'll turn him loose. Other way, dude. There we go, a little trout. Nice little trout, pretty little fish, but whoop. He's not gonna make the cut. We're not keeping fish anyway, so Pretty little fish. I can't get close because it's muddy. Get him out there. There you go. All right, sweet. So there is some life over here. Let's try that again. Ooh. I don't know what this is. It's either got some weight to it or it's on the bottom. Is it a stingray? This is a very strange fighting fish. I think it's a stingray. It is a stingray. God, he suctions to the bottom. Little stingray. Alright, now I'm gonna stand on his tail so that he doesn't get me. Unhook him. And then what I'm gonna do is grab his tail. Oh, there it is, way over there. So he doesn't get me. Flip him back in the water. There he goes. I don't know if you can see him right there, but he's still there. Oh, damn. Hopefully it's not a stingray. Another stingray. But boy, it sure does feel like another stingray. It's another stingray. Dang it. They suction to the ground. This guy, somebody caught him before and took his tail off. I don't have to worry about him because he don't have a spine anymore. Because somebody cut it off. Poor little guy, but it doesn't hurt him. Let's let him go. Well, I threw this one out and it got smoked immediately. I didn't even get to put it in a rod holder. It was like a trout. Decent little trout. And that is on my new jig. How about that? Nice. I don't mind that at all. All right, buddy. Thank you. Other way, other way. Sweet. Oh yeah, definite little trout. Doesn't feel like a big one, but nah, it's not too bad. Those head shakes are a dead giveaway. Golly, he choked it too. Another keeper-sized trout. Another beautiful keeper-sized trout. And they like that little jig. There you go, buddy. Nope, wrong way. Don't get me all wet. Oh, there we go. I was up close. Definitely not a big one. Whoop. But this is what I've been catching today. Little trout. I don't even care. Catching them on a, using a jig head with a loop knot. So you can see it. I can't keep it still. There it is. Jig head with a loop knot, and just using a shrimp, tail hooking it, and bouncing it. And they've been hitting it pretty good. All right, well, I'm gonna call it a day. Had a good morning. I fished the whole outgoing tide, so it's slack tide now. I'm not gonna hang out any longer. But caught a bunch of trout, got broke off by something big, and one little redfish, so not a bad morning. It's like 10 o'clock right now, so I still got a whole day. I can do whatever I gotta do. But do me a favor, like, subscribe, and comment. I'm gonna do some more land-based stuff here. Just all around this local area, and I am gonna actually go all the way around the whole state of Florida later in the year. But subscribe for more. I appreciate it. Masked Man out.